basically, we would like to get some pepperoni pizzas. Just make sure they are gluten-free, or you know what? Just
sounds like you just want pizza with no bread. Is that what you're saying?
Just send some pizzas without bread, okay? Oh, and also no cheese. Many of us are allergic to cheese, and while you're at it, please make sure there is no tomato sauce. It looks like blood, and we don't want to trigger anybody. So just send us some plant-based pepperoni in a box, and if they don't have vegan pepperoni, just send us some pizza boxes with napkins and shit. Just make sure the pizza box is made with recycled cardboard.
And if they don't have any recycled pizza boxes?
If not, just don't send us anything. We'll just go back home to mommy. Thank you.
We're coming to you from the plains of western South Dakota. And Jim's, if it ain't broke, fix it. I've got several things I have to do here. I've got a piece of copper pipe, looks like a cigar, and I'm just going to use it for decoration. I don't know why. Then I have a 50 caliber bullet projectile part, and it's kind of weird. You can see that, but it's got like the rifling on it, so it looks like it's been shot. The end is blunted. Being a 50 caliber, I doubt it very much if it was shot where I found it. I found it outside of a Subway Sunday. We were there. It was laying right out. No, it wasn't. It was on the floor inside the Subway. It's weird. I'm going to shine that up too, and that'll probably show the rifling a little better. But yeah, that's a 50 cal. There's the full round there. I got the door open to the shed here. It's kind of warm out today, and I did a couple projects, a couple things I need to do. So I decided to come out here and mess around a little bit, a little R&R. And then I have to polish these two. I didn't bring this stuff out to polish them. I'll probably do it in the house anyway. So I'll put those in there. And I've got put in a new back door, and it's got a deadbolt, a regular handle and a deadbolt. And when you have the regular lock, the doorknob lock, pushed all the way through the second click, which is that little protection bar thing on your on the swivel, I forget what they even call that. But on the deadbolt, if you have the door pushed tight past both those stops, where it's really can't get in unless you bust it down, this is the deadbolt. Now, if you got it pushed all the way on the handle, all the way tight, then the deadbolt won't turn. It will before you get to that second, between the first and second latching on that door handle. This will go ahead and work, but then I get it too far, which would be right to here. What I got to do is I got to dig that out a little bit. So I'm going to probably do that first. Just had somebody come to our front door, and the doorbell rang. It was on a security system. It goes ding dong, and I went in the house, and it'd been 4 kids that were selling these little rubber bracelets, and I think they're making them as they were selling them. But they're 4 young people, probably no more than 8 or 10 years old. The oldest girl, the one that actually came to the door, well, it just cut me. What's a sliver? She's the one that did the talk, and then the other 3 kids were just standing up there around behind her. But so we gave them a little bit of money. It really made me feel good because, it's 4 kids. They're out trying to make money for what kids buy these days. Hopefully it's not drugs, alcohol, and weapons. But I thought it might give them a little initiative to give them a little more money than they wanted. I don't know if that was right or did any good or anything, but I want to encourage them to know that instead of going around and doing bad things, doing something good, you can make money doing it. I used to mow lawns and rake lawns and scoop snow when I was a kid before I got a job in the grocery store my dad worked in. Me and two of my friends, great friends. We're still friends to this day. And we've got a 55th class reunion coming up in September. I think it's the third weekend. I'm not sure. It must be third weekend. But always good to see them all. We try to keep in touch, but then I've got another friend and a sister and some other relatives and nieces and nephews in that area. So we're going back to the class reunion too. And I guess I don't know why I'm talking about that. But I got to cut this thing out. Put this in the vise. Let's see here. I'm going to do it so I can, there, like this will work, I think. That thing's loose in there. Where's my Allen wrenches? Here it is, right here. I think that'll fit it, maybe not. I gotta tighten that down. Oh yeah, it's loose. There. A little better, it's still not perfect. Okay, so I'm going to be grinding it like this. Try to do that. Got my radishes here. I had terrible crop of radishes this year. I don't know. I think it's the ground is just too clumpy. Okay, get this. So here we go. See how this works. Well, I'm going to take that in the house and try it here quick. Still kind of hot, but I think it's going to be good. I still have one little part I think I've got to take a little bit out of. Well, I got it all done. I'll go in and try it, see if I have to cut any more out of it. And I can. It's not a big deal. So, be back. Back sometime here.
Well done, Watson. Well done, Watson.